Yeah, I know I got problems, and I don't know where to go. I don't wanna put the blame on you, so I put it on my own. And see, with you I'm so different, but to me I'm so cold. And I know something's got to change. When I was lonely, I needed time, sitting and thinking about my life. Oh, my mama told me and gave advice that's true. Oh, she said self-love, you need a little more, 'cause you can't get enough. It doesn't come from here or there, but enough. A picture perfect moment that's true. Starting with you, with you, with you. Why my issues getting larger? And mine begins to fade. But I don't wanna be a bother, so I act like I'm okay. Am I calling for help, or am I complaining and wrecking my health? I got to watch how I'm treating myself. Something's got to change. When I was lonely, I needed time,